In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Wistia logo. If you're aiming for a clean, on-brand video experience on your website or landing page, removing extra logos can be a simple but important touch. I'll walk you through the exact place in Wistia where this lives and what to expect when you make the change. Start by opening your Wistia account and navigating to the media page for the specific video you plan to embed. This is the page where you can preview the video, copy the embed code, and adjust settings. Make sure you're on the correct media, because the changes you're about to make apply to this video in particular. Next, look for the Customize option. Click Customize to open Wistia's player settings for this media. This panel is where you control how the player looks and behaves. It's designed to be visual and immediate, so you'll usually see your changes reflected right away in the preview. Inside Customize, go to the Appearance and Brand tab. This section focuses on the visual elements, player colors, overlays, and branding. It's the place you use when you want the player to match your brand's look and feel without extra marks that distract viewers. Now find the option labeled Wistia Branding. Toggle that off or uncheck it. As soon as you do, the Wistia logo, typically the small banner near the full screen button, will disappear from the player preview. That's it. There's nothing else to configure for this change. Wistia applies it to this media automatically, so your embeds for this video will use the unbranded player. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If you don't see the Wistia branding toggle, it may be hidden based on your user permissions or plan. In that case, check with your account administrator or Wistia support to confirm access. Also, because Wistia updates the player in real time, you usually won't need to re-embed the video. If you already placed it on your site, a quick page refresh should show the change. Clear your browser cache if it doesn't appear right away. Remember that the setting is per media. If you want all your videos to be unbranded, repeat this on each video you embed, or set it as part of your workflow when uploading new content, and that's all you need to do. Open the media page, click Customize, head to Appearance and Brand, and turn off Wistia branding. Enjoy your clean, professional-looking player.